What a week it's been. My name is Casmar and welcome to another lovely week and an exciting episode of Pree Dis. Now, of course, we're in Rockford heading to the Norman Manley International Airport and check my tree out because I got my rum bar, rum cream with me, my white rum and my worthy gold. Now, for the next half an hour, we're taking over your television screens. Come closer because Pree Dis starts right now. I can see Palisades go-kart track from all the way right over there, so you know, hear the Pree. Now, Stir It Up was recently held at the Palisades go-kart track, and them and patrons came out in their numbers, dancing to the old school beats. And of course, we were there to capture the highlights. Now, if you want to get a Pree of what Stir It Up was like, Pree Dis.
Well, done wife, and you know what's made. Make a girl know the pattern and scrape. You look good, girl, you have the cute face. Man, I'm mad over your looks and shape. Well, big things, a girl man a run you down. A girl begs like you make she done, you are done wife. Girl and yes a your role. Make you make no such a fool, and you done roll. So we better them cool. Well, pop style, hotness me child. You own them and a girl wait for your while. Be good for your body man, we swim river Nile. Smooth and silky, girl tender and mild. Maid can never take this chance and smile. Sit up on your business while for them was spoil. Love man a exchange them engine oil. Lead you a lead the whole of them by a mile. That's why they mad cabra smile. Well, don't wife, you know watch me. Girl pat out and now you're not scrape. Blade, look good, have your cute face. Man I'm mad over your looks and your shape. Well, big things, a girl man a run you down. A girl begs like you make she done. Done wife, girl and you done roll. Make you make no such a fool. And she a footstool. Better she sit down and cool. Well,
tell you the party shot. It's shell down. The bar a go hard. And trust me, the people might enjoy themselves. I'm here to tell you.
Come on, the party shot. Shot.
How the bar go?
Bar mad.
Yo, you see audience and the crew. Stir It Up are the best thing ever. Who want big up Stir It Up and I know we're coming a long time.
Well, I'm tired. I've been having too much fun. So I'm just relaxing here, enjoying the company from the Playboy girls, watching.
The way I have to say to anybody out there tonight, we'll miss the party.
Yeah, miss a lot. You should be here and please don't let the next one miss you.
Every little flower, every chickadee, every little bird in the tall tree. The wise are loud, the big black crows, flap for their wings, sing and go, go, rockin' Robin, rockin' Robin.
Don't make no sense you even call him and try to work at it. Cause I've got your man and you can't do anything.
Alright, rip up man we pay for fun. We take dancing to a higher rank. We spend pound and we spend franc. Shut up and you would have to have to be a hand rank. Yeah, one day we pump, one day back.
Got to get my drink on in that tropical blue natural spring water. You have to cop one for yourself. Now check out my yard beat. Yeah, man, representing for Jamaica 50 already. Cop one if you need something like this for Jamaica 50 celebrating a good time. Yeah, man, it's all about the yard beat. Now, Etana, reggae singer Etana. I love her some. I love me some Etana. She's recording her third studio album over by the Tough Gang Recording Studios. And of course, Pree Dis was there to capture the highlights from her recording session. Now, you know Etana for hits like Warrior Love, Jaja Blessing, and so much more. Now, Pree Etana right here. Pree Dis.
Good morning, baby. I'm so happy I'm alive. Grateful for the sunrise. And that you're right here by my side.
You know something? The music came naturally. The vibe was unbelievable. The energy was so different because we were thinking, okay, we'll do a few songs with Shane Brown. We'll do a few songs with Donovan Jermaine. But then when we got here at Tough Gang and started recording, we did like about 3 songs the first day. And that's just like laying the music, not recording. And after we laid the music for the songs, we said, but this vibe is unnatural. It just, you know, it is almost like heavenly. It just work. It's just wicked, happy vibe. And the album will be released in July, August. I can't give you a specific date yet because, of course, we're still working. By the end of April, it will be finished, all of the mastering, everything. And so, yeah, we're looking at July, August.
Now, in terms of producers, musicians, who are the persons you're working with?
Kirk on the drums, Monty on the guitar, bass player from C Sharp, and Kevon, who used to be with Richie Spice over by Fifth Element, who plays for a whole host of other people now. And then Shane is the producer on the whole album, basically. I mean, we may have 1 or 2 tracks from Donovan Germain. Some of the tracks are written in collaboration with, and some are written by other people, some are written by myself. You know, I don't think I'm full circle yet. I'm almost there, because with this album, the sound is, to me, much bigger. It's more world music than anything. It's a little bit more rounded, so there's a little bit for everybody, but seriously on another level.
This album with Etana is a very high-spirited album, you know. Etana, she's reflecting on happy things, happy thoughts. It's just an album to lift people from out of whatever you're going through or whatever you're going through in life. You just want to see happy faces. So the whole concept of the album is just happy and joy.
Oh, what a lovely day. The sun is shining, people smiling, and oh, what a lovely day. It should feel like this every day. We could share this moment. Take some time. Take some time, slowly take it in, stop and smell the daisies, the roses, listen to the melody of the singing bird, 'cause oh, what a lovely day, the sun is shining, people smiling.
Now, the grand draw for the Mothers Party Blast promotion took place recently, and we got the winners. Now, they got over hundreds of thousands of entries. Pree Dis.
Mother's Party Blast Off promotion started on January 30. It ran for 6 weeks, and all of our customers were invited to make a purchase of only $250.
Normally when I come to Mother's, I buy burger, patty meal, chicken.
Every customer filled out a form and entered to win the grand prize of a 55-inch Toshiba flat screen TV. The other prize include an iPad and a Samsung Galaxy Tab. Each week we gave away $190,000. That's 19 people, each of them winning $10,000.
You're doing a great job.
All of the entries from January 30 until March 12, that's 6 weeks worth of entries. That was over 20,000 tickets that we placed into a drum. We were at York Plaza and we did our drawing.
The grand draw is under the observation of the Betting, Gaming and Lotteries Commission. I've asked Ms. Yannick Algenol, a member of the public, to help me to choose the winners. We're going to choose the 3rd place winner of the Samsung Galaxy Touch. We have our winner of our 3rd prize of our Samsung Galaxy Tab. And that winner is Miss Laura Tate. We have a 2nd place winner of the iPad. And that winner is Miss Nora Lee Blake. She's of the Independent City in Portmore. We have just drawn the 1st place winner of the Toshiba 55-inch flat screen TV. And the winner is Mr. Ori Turner.
Well, I feel really great about winning this prize now. I was really excited. I was really considering on buying a TV. So now that I win a TV, I feel really good.
I've never won anything before, so I'm so surprised. This is my first win in anything at all. With this new iPad, I could go on the net, I can play games, I can assist my kids with homework and stuff like that.
It's now time for our first commercial break, but we have a lot more after these short messages. Pree Dis, so come back.